Nectar Mattress Coupon Code. If you're looking to get your hands on a Nectar Mattress coupon code, you've come to the right place. Don't waste your hard-earned money by paying full price, because I'm about to tell you exactly what to do to save $125 off your purchase, and get 2 premium pillows free when you purchase a mattress. So in total you save up to $400. But before I show you how to save a nice chunk of change, and go over some very important information such as warranty. If you just came to get a discount, I get it. I'm not going to be offended if you don't watch this full video. I'll put the discount link in the description below. This way when you click the link below for the Nectar mattress, the coupon will automatically be applied. But for those of you who want to stick around, let's get started. Now unfortunately, you won't find Nectar mattresses at your local shopping center, because they are only available online. And here's why that works in your favor. If you were to buy a Nectar mattress at a local store, you wouldn't have the option to get a $125 discount, and the 2 free pillows which are valued at $275. At a store you'd be paying full price, since they have to cover the cost of overheads and employees. Luckily when you use the coupon link below this video, you can save $400 with the Nectar mattress discount, free premium pillows, plus free shipping. Isn't that awesome? You'll also get a lifetime warranty, a 365-day home trial. And yes, you're right, it sounds too good to be true, but it's not. In fact, tons of people looking for a Nectar mattress are taking advantage of this online special every single day. You can try it for a whole year, and if you don't like it, you can get your money back. But to be honest, this $400 coupon deal probably won't be around forever, so I suggest you jump on it right now before they discontinue it. Go to the description below this video, and click the top link to automatically apply the coupon code. Thanks for watching, and happy sleeping.